what's up guys? Graham here from For the Drive, and today we've got a special treat for you because we're going to be driving and reviewing this. So what we have here is a Fiat Panda 1200 Dynamic. It's a manual 1.2 petrol engine, boasting 69 brake horsepower and 75 pounds-of-foot torque, which can get you to 60 in 13 seconds. So I think the first thing we should do is start this baby up. Yeah! So now I think it's time for us to take it out on the road and see what it handles like. Oh, can you hear that burble? One thing I've noticed already, it's got no aircon. Take it back. Need aircon. God, yes. Now we're at 40. And we're at 50. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Look at the overtake. Oh yeah. Bye. So. It's actually quite comfortable. We're cruising at 60. It's actually really nice. I mean, it swallows up the bumps. So obviously it's a small car, it's lightweight, so a bigger bump you will start to wallow a little. But it's actually quite nice. Nice and spacious. Good headroom. Very nippy. And I think corners are going to be... I think the word's exciting, but I also think the word is terrifying. See what I mean? Clutch is so heavy. Considering how small it is, it's got a lot of poke, especially like low speeds. You go around town, you put your foot down a little bit, and actually you get thrown back. The thing that I've noticed so far, at least, is that when you're going, if you want to accelerate hard from 30 to 70 for example, it just doesn't have the guts. They do the 100 horsepower one, which obviously is basically you're looking at 31 horsepower more. But, to be honest, this is a great little fun car. Traffic's an everyday thing that everyone deals with, but man, is it annoying, especially when I do filming. Never mind, it's fine. We're about to go onto a windy bit, so now I get to really wind it up through corners and see how terrifyingly fun it is. Steering wheel gives you enough feedback. Obviously, probably not as much as you get when you spend £200,000-300,000 on a car, but you can feel it. Yeah, threading it through. Love it. You come away from driving to someone's house in this, and you go, "Yeah, I beat death." Nice. Drag race. You might be able to see that my camera car is a Porsche Cayman GTS. And I got off the line, yeah! Oh! He just won, just won. I would have had him. This car's impressive. Bloody cameraman. So in conclusion, this is a great little car. 1,500 to 2,500 pounds would get you a relatively good condition one, low mileage, and they're really fun round corners. You don't have to go fast to have a hair raising experience. It's spacious for what it is. It's a small car, but it's spacious. It's comfortable. It's one of those cars that it's always trying to impress you. It's actually, it's a lovely little fun car. I can understand why my friends kept his for so long, because why change it? You get into it, you have a fun little journey to wherever you're going. You could just be going up to the shops around a friend's house or whatever. And when you get there is actually a little bit of a smile on your face, because you've diced with death, you've won. Going around corners is probably the best part. Well done, Packer.
Where do I want to stand? Where do I want to move? Yeah, see. My hair okay.
I faltered on one word.
Yeah.
And then
car. That's actually a car. I thought you were still talking to me.
No. Gets you to 60 in 13 seconds.
Oh, I have to cut between that and the
I don't know what else to say. So that's it, guys.